Yeah, you've tested it all? Kestrel, let's go. Sum up this year at MK Sportscars in one word: hectic.
Bonkers!
Absolutely. In fact, Blink, are we in 2026 coming up? Because where's 2025 actually gone? This is...
Where's 10 years gone?
Oh, don't. Yeah, we'll come to that, won't we? So 2025, sum up this year.
Bonkers.
But just, yeah, nuts.
Bonkers.
Absolutely great. Flat out on the accelerator, I think that's probably the best way to describe it. Flat out on the accelerator.
I was going to say a pun, but we've already got to say it. Fifth gear, not top gear, fifth gear. One of the two, doesn't matter. So, let's roll. Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars here. We're going to have a little question time. It's Christmas time here in 2025, and me and Neil always love to have a little sit down and get some questions out of there. I thought you were going to say,
we love Christmas. I was going to say,
no, brilliant. Not really. No. You're right, actually. No.
Yeah.
It's like Morecambe and Wise here, by the way.
So
we've got some questions. I think Finny's behind the camera now. She's going to do a little questions with Sean and Neil here, and I'm going to fire away, and we'll do our best to answer them as best we can. So let's get into it.
Right, what are some of the biggest milestones we've hit this year?
Ooh. Wow.
The biggest milestones we have hit. Well, we're at December. I mean, that's a milestone in itself.
Well, I think it's, getting to some of the shows, the big shows.
The big shows.
Goodwood.
Don't say that, because I'm coming to that later.
Things like that. Yeah.
Well, we've done a lot of shows this year.
Done a lot of shows.
We've done a lot of shows.
Cars.
We've sold a lot of cars. We've built a lot of cars. We've done some crazy things this year with cars.
Racing.
Oh God.
Oh
no.
Yeah. Just product development. I mean, it's just, there's so many. They all blend in because there's just so many in one.
Well, we're so grassroots. This is the problem. We're so grassroots. If you were to, and maybe we should write down next year. Right, what we'll do next year is we will actually be prepared for this question and we'll write it down, and we will come up with the bits and pieces. Now, it's going to be a long list. It will be a long list.
Well, we've got lots to do in 2026, but 2025 been a fantastic year so far.
So which build are we most proud of and why? I'm going to let you answer that, because you're more the technical build. But
for various reasons, I have several different builds. It's not just one build that you go, because they're all great cars. Whatever we build them, etc. It could have been a booster car, Cup 400, etc. But
that's got to be up there, though.
It's got to be up there. But even down to the little automatic car that we're building now.
Yeah, I was going to say the
big
automatic car,
challenge
actually.
For us, doing that. And
well, has anyone else done it? I don't know if anyone else has done it. I mean, you've been around the block a few times.
If it has.
Have you ever seen one?
It's few and far between that I've seen out there.
I've got to say, hand on heart, I don't think I've ever seen one.
Yeah. Biggest thing for me is getting someone who's disabled back on the road. I know we've done that, and there's some other people out there. Nick Fowler's one of them, our sort of hero. But yeah, that automatic build stands out because it's different, and we're doing something for somebody who is I'm hoping disabled.
When he comes and picks it up, the smile on his face is going to be beaming. When he goes out for the first drive in it, right? It's going to make a big difference. At the moment, it's still a little bit, he can't touch it and feel it, and he hasn't driven it yet. But I think, when that car comes. Yeah,
it's easy to build fast cars. It all builds pretty cars, but building something.
Is it easy to build fast?
Wow, easier than getting someone back onto the road.
Yeah, I think that's probably the highlight car of this year. What was the most technically challenging build this year?
Well, the automatic car has been technically challenging.
Bit of a challenge.
So we've not done it before.
It was easy on paper. When I did it on paper, it was dead easy.
Just wrote it.
I just
have an automatic car.
Yeah.
That has been a challenge, you're right. We've had some obstacles to overcome there, fitting the gearboxes in, plumbing, wiring. Wiring's been a challenge with that one.
Always is. Always
but
is.
Yeah, and then also, some
technically challenging.
The turbo stuff is always a challenge.
Cup 400 is...
Cup 400, but that's mainly...
Cake, right?
Yeah, I've been working with Richard RLM, and he's been on with that, and he's had some challenges with that, and that's been a technically challenging car. But yeah, they're all... They all make you grow, and problems just become things that fade into the norm, and you get things fixed, you make it bigger, you either make it lighter, stronger, faster, or cheaper. So we do everything with those ways. So
yeah. And then once we've done them, we roll it into production. So you guys have got something pretty cool to bolt onto your car. I will say, with the workshop's quite busy downstairs, and when I look around in the workshop and I look at all these new cars with all the new bodywork on it and everything like that, they look just lovely. They look absolutely bang on. So I'm quite proud of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. That looked good down there. Do we have a favourite event from this year?
3, 2, 1.
Goodwood. That's actually pretty. I mean, as if I didn't know what it was. Are you sure it wasn't? What do we race retro?
No. No. Yeah,
Goodwood was a massive highlight for us.
Level.
I mean, it is just next level. If anybody watching this knows of how I can get the car up the hill next year, then do contact me, because my 2025 goal,
which you'll have one in a minute, so we'll hold that.
Yeah. Right, I'll come back to that. But yeah, we need to get the car up the hill. But Goodwood was just mega. 4 days, brilliant sunshine, a proper festival. I mean, that was. I don't think I've ever been to what I would call a festival like that. It was just brilliant.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
Get yourself there in 2020.
It would have been a completely different game if it was tipping it down with rain, right? Yeah. But yeah, it was just.
Get yourself down there.
It's hard work,
isn't it?
Yeah, I definitely recommend going. Big plug for Goodwood there. So. Give me some free tickets. Something we weren't doing last year that we are doing now.
Oh, it's thrown at you like that. I mean, what was something you were doing last year that we are doing now? Oh, gosh. Do you mean a product, or are you talking about...
anything. What are we doing? What weren't we doing last year? Oh, well, we weren't doing the wheels that we've got. We've had them come in this year. Forget about them.
Products, yeah.
Product, wheels. What other blingy bits have we done this year that weren't on last year?
Gosh, do you know, it all fades in. As I said, the months just roll into the next one.
Did we roll the padded seats this year? The new padded seat, the Sport Turbo seats?
Yes, that was rolled out this year.
That was this year.
Yeah.
Blimey, these are tough questions.
I'm
You've got a tough crowd here, mate.
Yeah, I mean... Yeah, if it's a product, I mean, there's lots of processes that we've put in place that are different now. We've got a really good invent system, an online system where we're stock controlling it much more and hopefully helping the customers out there. That's it's still ongoing. That's a big implementation of inventory control and the stock system. Yeah, that wasn't last year, and that is this year, isn't it? So
yeah, it was sort of faded in towards the end of last year, but yeah,
and we're really organising upstairs with the parts department. Again,
that's massively.
It's still ongoing, and I know we can improve, and we will improve, and it's a process that we're doing upstairs. Baby steps in it, forward. So for 2026, we're going to see better things improved again. On that side.
Well, in fact, on that, we are trying to hold more stock as much as we possibly can, so that the lead times are a lot quicker. I know that there's some bits that we have to get made and whatnot, but you know, we're trying to hold stock. If you've got a new car and you want a replacement part for the new car, I would say probably 90% of it we've got
a lot
on
of
the
it
shelf.
Classics and stuff like that.
Yeah,
then we do it to make. You know, we do it to order.
We haven't got that, but yeah,
brilliant.
Tough crowd. What is something we'll hope to be doing next year? Going up the hill at Goodwood. I don't know if I mentioned it before. Did I mention it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Goodwood and going up the hill. That's like my #1 goal. In fact, at the top of our 5 goals for next year, right at the top, is going to be getting up the hill for Goodwood, just so that we can get the car seen on the world stage.
Yeah.
And I know it's YouTube streamed and blah blah blah, but there aren't half a lot of people that walk through that door.
Yeah, there is.
There is an awful lot of people that weekend. Have you got anything else? I mean, sort of taking over there, aren't I?
I've forgotten what the question is now. It's taking over. What was the question?
What's something you hope to be doing next year?
Oh, beating all of our competition on the racetrack. Hands down. Boom. Done.
Right.
Sold.
Stamped.
And watch this space. We're coming for you.
I think roughly decoded, that means Sean's going to put the biggest, fastest engine in a car.
We're coming for you.
Illegal?
Legal?
Well, it doesn't need
absolutely.
to be on a racetrack.
Of course it will be.
Yeah, it'll be within the regs, of course.
We're coming for you. Dum dum dum.
anything we have now to look forward to in 2026?
Anything set in place?
Well, yeah, I tell you what we have got to look forward to, because we are planning, is it 4 track days?
Yes.
4 track days
There we go.
that we're going to be planning, which...
I haven't put them out yet.
Oh, no,
I've got to do that.
We've got to get that sorted. But we're doing
You'll
4
be
track
seeing
days. We'll be venturing off with javelin track days, and we'll be giving hot laps and things like that, and also hopefully inviting other people with other cars on the day, that you guys out there to come and pedal with us and have a bit of a fun day out. And that's what these cars are, a fun day out.
So that's that's actually really good.
Really good fun day.
I'd forgotten about that.
Yeah.
Yes, it is going to be a good day where everybody, hopefully, we can get the community together and all descend on. We're going to do it. Where are we doing? What track are we doing?
Donington.
Donington.
Yeah.
So we're doing the one right in the middle of the country. So there's no excuses from anybody that they can't get there or it's too far. It's right in the middle of the country, and we will be doing 4 days spread out through the year, where hopefully
starting March. Yeah.
Keep
an eye on here for the events calendar.
I was going to say, can we get a discount? Have we got a discount code that we can tell them?
We'll work on a discount.
Right, we'll try and work on a discount code.
Yeah.
So that you guys can all come along in your cars. I'm hoping, in an ideal world, we'll completely ram the place out and no one else will get booked on it. So we will let you know when these are. So I'm going to put them on the Facebook events.
Yeah.
So keep your eyes peeled on our Facebook events, and if you haven't subscribed or liked or followed our page,
do so.
You better do it. At MK Sportscars Official. Any closing words?
Well, look, we're always going to... Look, me and Neil have been venturing into our 10th year coming up now.
Oh, yeah, 10 years.
And with MK Sportscars, longer with Kit Car Direct, but with MK Sportscars, it's been a unbelievable journey. And without you guys that are out there helping us, steering us, buying our products, supporting us in every single way, we wouldn't be in this room right now.
No, you're right. So, yeah, absolutely. So massive thank you to everybody,
absolutely.
I guess. Huge thank you to past customers and,
future
customers.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. To everybody. We love you all.
We do. And which is why, come next year, we're going to be doing some bits and bobs over the 10th year. So keep an eye on that again on the socials. And all of those that do follow us on the socials, big up.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching our videos each week.
Subscribing, watching us, giving us feedback. And we do, whether it's plus or minus, we value your feedback.
Yeah, we do take it on board.
Your support in every single way. So what am I looking forward to? 2026.
I'm looking forward to those track days. I think that'd be good fun.
It's going to be fun.
I don't know what to expect from people. I mean, I'm slightly worried. Is it nobody going to turn up, or is loads of people going to turn up? Hopefully, we're giving you enough notice to put the dates in your calendar.
Yeah.
So that you don't book holidays and things like that. Exactly. And then we can sort of pack the place out. I mean, that'll be buzzing, right? So if it goes to what I've got in my head, that's going to be epic.
It's what you bought the car for. So go and enjoy yourself.
We are also committing to quite a lot of shows next year as well. Yeah. So we're getting out to go to shows.
Yeah.
Which is not 5 minutes work, but
we're looking forward to that, because we get to talk to you guys out there and show you us. There'll be more open days that's scheduled as well.
Oh yeah, open days. Brilliant.
We've got all of those. I mean, there's new product launches coming out and for 2026. I mean, I just don't even know. More racing. Lots more racing.
Oh yeah, did we mention that?
Did we mention that? Yeah, lots more racing. So yeah, I mean, it's just going to be simply one of 2026 year is going to be our rules, but
your game.
Your game. So that's us here signing off.
Yeah, I think so.
We say Merry Christmas.
I can't believe where 2025 has actually gone. It seems like only yesterday we were sitting doing the 2024 recap.
I've no idea where this year's gone.
It's
I've
just
genuinely
been
no idea.
Full on. If somebody knows how to pull the handbrake up on my life going forward, do let me know, because this is super rapid.
Well, when you get into your 30s,
that's us. That's us.
It all goes
early
a bit
30s.
Yeah, it all goes a bit faster.
Yeah.
Right?
Why'd you do that with your teeth? Just because we said we were early 30s. Up here, right?
Right. That's it.
Good job.
And if you've got any questions, guys, put them in the comments below.
In the comments.
We'd love to fire it out.
Yeah.
But from me and from him.
It's good night from him.
And it's good night from me. And we will catch you in 2026, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.